Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unmute messages of certain chat on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on message icon. Next, find the chat on which you want to unmute messages. Next, tap on the chat. After that, tap on profile icon. Next, you can see the option of unmute. Tap on it. Then turn off mute messages by tapping on it. So, this is how you can unmute messages of certain chat on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.